Hello, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Audra and this is Fashion for Living. It has been a hot minute since I have filmed a video. I am so excited to be here with you doing a Walmart fall haul. I think this is the third year, crazily enough, that I'm doing a Walmart fall haul. And I'm so excited. There will be two parts. This first part that you are watching is going to be everything free assembly. It's my favorite line at Walmart right now. So that's going to be this video, and then shortly after will be in the second part, which are some things that I picked up from the Scoop line. Honestly, when I went through my closet and gotten rid of stuff, I do have a few things from Time and True, like the Time and True boyfriend t-shirts and the Time and True turtlenecks, and the button-up cardigans that they kind of have every year. Those things have kind of held up and stood the test of time. A lot of the other stuff that I have bought from Walmart that are like the No Boundaries brand, there's a couple things in there that I have. And a lot of the Time and True pieces, just the quality is just not there. And so I'm trying to steer clear of impulse purchases from those two lines, or other lines besides mainly free assembly and the Scoop line, because I think that they tend to be a little bit better quality and are things that I want to hang on to. So without me rambling anymore, let's get into the haul. Starting up are two of my favorite things from this haul. I love button-ups. They're just such a classic piece that you can style in endless ways and wear all year round. Just such a great bang for your buck. It's so effortless. You throw on a button-up with pretty much anything and you just instantly look chic and stylish and classy, and I just love a good button-up. So these two are both the same style. They, I believe, are called a boyfriend button-up. I got them in a size large. I will say that the fit of these are a little funky. If you read the reviews, they kind of say the same thing, and I for sure agree with that. So that is why I picked them up in a large. So let me hang this back up. That's real classy over there. So like I said, I got these in a large. They're a boyfriend fit. They fit to me pretty short. Excuse me, they fit pretty short for a boyfriend fit. See how they're kind of boxy and wide, but then not necessarily long. I am 5'9", so I am on the taller side, but I love, this may be my favorite because it's kind of a rusty, perfect for fall stripe, and I am just obsessed with these because they're, like I said, such a great classic piece that you can wear so many different ways. All right, here is a quick little shot of the kind of black or dark, it's kind of a washed black stripe, which again I just think is so cool, perfect for this time of year. And I threw it on with some black kind of western booties. Throw on a hat or blazer. Like I said, I love a button-up shirt, and you can never own too many button-up shirts. All right, and next is probably, I'm gonna be honest, my least favorite thing from this haul. It's still really cute, but I don't know, it's just something about the colors on me that I'm not crazy about. I'm still really on the fence about it. So it's black, and then it has a really light lavender, but I love a Western shirt. I love a button-up shirt, as we've covered, but especially a Western button-up shirt. And to find one, Walmart or many stores are doing them right now, and so I feel like I need to grab them up while I can for a super affordable price. But like I said, anyways, kind of on the fence with this one. I'm in a size large again, and I would say this fits more like a medium, more how I would think a medium would fit. Again, I just think button-up shirts are such a classic piece. This is more of a flannel material. All right, next up are two long sleeve t-shirts. I think that this one is sadly, focus. I think this one is sadly sold out. I will have it linked below. These are on the same item, just different colorways. So you can click on either one and get it to it. But I will link it just in case it comes back in stock, because I have worn this so much since I got it. Again, I just love the stripes and the colors. I got this one in a large because honestly, it was the only size left. and it's really a cute oversized fit. Again, this is the same style, just in a different color. This one I grabbed in a medium, and it fits really nice too in a medium. I kind of like how the large is a little bit more oversized. Now these are on the shorter side of a long sleeve t-shirt. I wouldn't necessarily call them cropped. They're just a little bit shorter, if that makes sense. But I love, next to a good button up, a good long sleeve tee is just some of my favorite things to wear. They're just so easy and layerable, and you can just style them up in so many different ways. And so they're just such a great item to have. And I think these are like 14 bucks. Turtlenecks are some of my favorite things that I have in my closet. They're classic, they're timeless, just love them. So I got this in a size large. I envision wearing this with leggings or biker shorts. This is super soft. I love this one. This is just something you put on and you just feel cozy. You feel cozy in, even though it's thinner and lightweight. I have it on with my straight leg jeans again. These are Scoop, so we'll fudge a little bit on just free assembly. These are Scoop brand mule clogs. These are super cute, great quality. I am debating whether or not I can keep these. So I am in a size 10. I really feel like I need a size 11. My heel is all the way at the end. But they are so stinking cute. Birkenstock has some out like this. And I can't commit to paying that much money for this style, but I envision this kind of shoe being perfect to throw on and make my school runs, and like this whole outfit to me is this like perfect weekend school run, casual running errands kind of vibe. Love it. All right, I thrown on a hat because I've put on this cute little quilted jacket. They call this a liner coat. And it's perfect for layering under another jacket or wearing by itself. This reminds me of the thin Old Navy vest. If you have one of those, you know what I'm talking about. Here they are. It's just super lightweight. Get to focus. Super lightweight. It has really nice, cool pockets. I am in my normal size medium. I just think it's a really great piece. I love navy, and I think it looks so good with all the other pieces that I'm showing, especially this lighter rusty tan color. Perfect fall addition to your wardrobe. And again, it's like a classic quilted jacket. It does have a no collar. I don't know what the proper term is. So it lays really nice, like especially if you have a turtleneck on or a button up on, it lays really nice around your front. And I believe it's under 30. Super cute. And the reason I have so many of these jackets is I wear them like a blazer. I just think it's the perfect third piece to make any outfit look a little bit more stylish. You just throw this on as you're headed out the door. Over t-shirts or sweaters, and it just kind of really pulls your whole outfit together. And next up is this mock neck sweater. Again, this is super soft and lightweight. The quality feels really nice. I'm in a size small. I wanted this to fit a little more fitted. I wanted it to be a little bit closer to the body. The sleeves are just barely long enough on me, but again, I'm on the taller side. This is the perfect thing to layer up over a button up or under a vest and a jacket, all the things. It's just a great basic piece. And it's also a nice sweater if you tend to run a little hot. Like I said, but it's super stretchy, lightweight, very comfortable. I'll untuck it so you can kind of see where it hits me. Just really nice, super cute. Again, the theme of this video is this a classic piece that you can style, in a lot of different ways. Next are these free assembly jeans. Like I said in the beginning of this video, free assembly is just such an amazing line that Walmart is now carrying. Their jeans are outstanding. They're the most amazing quality jean. They're a nice thick jean. They're always on trend styles. The fit is really good, and they're like 30 bucks or less. These are high-waisted, wide straight legs. And I do think they make a wide cropped, but these are not cropped. These are the regular length, which hit me, you know, just kind of at the ankle bone. Again, I have on the clog shoes, mule slide clog shoes, whatever you want to call them. And I just think this is such a fun, cute, fashion forward, on trend kind of outfit for fall, but still with classic pieces that you can have and rewear in lots of different ways. Another button-up shirt, another Western button-up shirt. I am in love with this shirt. It is a thicker denim material, especially where, like with the pockets and everything. You could for sure tuck this in, but my favorite way and the way that I see wearing this the most is more like a shacket over things, just because of how thick it is and the color. I just think it's such a fun adder. I love mixing the brown and the black, and just such a fun, easy adder to any outfit to kind of add. Again, the third piece, it's all about the third piece, so it just kind of makes the whole outfit come together and is super easy to throw on. I think all the pieces that I've shown you are really great, like mix and match kind of pieces that can either be worked together or worked with other things in your wardrobe, which is my favorite way of dressing. So here I've put on that mock neck sweater over this button up, which I think this would look really good over the black stripe too. That would be a really fun contrast, but this is kind of more of a tonal mixing, and I just think it's so cute. So cute. And again, it's so easy to pair these two things together. You don't have to think too much about it. And it's so stylish. It's very impactful, as they say. Two basic classic pieces put together is a very impactful way to wear them. All right, so let's keep the layering going. All right, so now I've thrown on over the quilted lightweight jacket, and again, how stinking cute. How does this look together? I'm sorry if you're catching glimpses of mess over here and over here, but that's what's happening right now. Love this combination. Super cute. So let's do a quick adder. I'll do it on the screen, but I think this whole outfit is like $150 that I have on right now. Crazy. And like I said, free assembly pieces are just the best. They're just the best because they're stylish, affordable, but still have quality to them. I've thrown on a thicker jacket over my liner jacket, and since this is so thin and lightweight, it's great for layering without adding a lot of bulk, which again is really adding to the style points of this look. This is from last year, I believe, or 2 years ago. Jason Maxwell, which again is from Walmart. I saw that this was back in stock, and I think it's either $25 or $35. Just a really nice mid-length coat that works so well layered up like this. And I would probably throw on that hat as well. But what a flipping cute outfit from Walmart. Nobody would ever know this is from Walmart. All right, and that is all for the free assembly pieces that I have picked up to date. Like I said, this is part one. Look for part two coming out shortly of a few scoop items that I've picked up. I'm gonna have a few things that I've also picked up from Amazon coming up. And I think I'm gonna do, I don't know if I'm gonna post it here, maybe on my other channel, and I will link it here, I'm not sure, of some like Western things that I've picked up from Cinch and Kimes. I think those are the only two. Yeah, Cinch and Kimes. A little try on over there of things I'm loving that are straight up Western. So anyways, keep looking out for videos from me. I am trying to post more on Instagram, and if you ever wonder where I'm at, go to my Instagram account at a horse barn, because I'm always posting over there, especially on my stories, because that's kind of where my heart is at the moment. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what your favorite piece is from this haul and what you are loving from Walmart, or any other store you think I need to check out that you're really into this season. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.